Hi guys, so this is my first tutorial, so don't judge me. And today I will show you how to make this sheet of EVA foam into this. A nice looking Rogue Tier 5 set shoulder. So this is EVA foam. It's pretty hard to get in the Netherlands, so I will post a link in the description bar down below. It has two sides, a smooth side and a texture side. It depends on your design what you want to use. On top I use the smooth side. So these are the molds of the shoulders. I just got some paper and I folded like this. I drawn the design, I cut it out. You get this. This is how it looks like. So I made these first. I've drawn them on the EVA foam with chalk, because it doesn't ruin the foam, and when you make a mistake you can easily erase it. I'm not only making the shoulder out of the EVA foam, but also the pins on the shoulder. Like this. Oh my god, how did you make them? Out of EVA foam and a really sharp knife. But I will show you later. First we start out cutting out the mold. If you want to bend your foam, use a hot air gun. When it's heated, you can bend it in the shape you like. And when it's cooled down, it will stay this way. I want some edges to be high and some edges to be low. For the higher edges I use 1 centimeter of craft foam or EVA foam. If you want to cut your foam, use a really sharp knife. Because if you don't, it will look like shit. To glue everything together, it's best to use a glue gun. Because of the hot glue, the surface of the foam will melt, so it will be glued really strong. For the lower edges, I just use a thin strip of craft foam. So, I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching!